YouTube, it's your boy Social Security. I'm back with a POV video, man. First thing first, before we get into this, make sure you sub, like, and share. Make sure y'all niggas do that, because y'all niggas don't be doing it all the time, man. Baby, just do it for a nigga. Just do it for me. Just do it for me. But yeah, dog. Sub, like, and share. Yeah, dog. Let's get to the fucking POV. Let's right do a damn POV again. It's been a minute. Come on. Alright. Y'all let me know which setting y'all like. Do y'all like this one? Or this one? Let me know. I'm gonna do this one for now. But in the comments down below, let me know which one you like. But yeah, man. Little morning POV, getting to work type shit. Yeah, dog. How your boy day is going, man? Good morning, everybody. You know, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you see this video. You feel me? But yeah, dog. How y'all boys been doing? Hope your mental is okay. Hope everything is okay with you and your people. You know, you got stuff, you got problems going on, or know you gotta do it, man. Just pray to God. Keep it pushing, dog. Taking it one day at a time. I finally decided to start biting my kid, start muttering it out, cosmetic wise, you know, tuning. I actually got a friend of mine that knows someone that does JDM tuning, so that would be great, you know. Just rack up some money, see what he wants, you know, rack that money up, get it done, you know. So, yeah, dog, honestly, it to that. But things I'm planning on doing like, to the car is, like, body work. Like, I want to try to create a fucking wide body for it. Like, a wide body, the fenders and all that, to replace the rear end diffuser, the diffuser on the car. To make it look more sporty, some rims, of course, you know. And yeah, dog. And like, also, I'm gonna try to get the underglow lights underneath the car. I'm gonna try to get a little RGB emblem light. I don't know. I might get my YouTube name on it, so it will sit like on the front grill. At nighttime, the bitch light up. And so is KT on that bitch. That bitch will be hard. That bitch gonna be hard, you know. So just I don't want to get it all the way, you know. I pretty much gave that fucking away. But I got a couple more things that I'm not going to speak on. But just know. This bitch, when all this bitch come together, it will look great. When all this bitch come together, it will take some time, because I don't got the fucking greatest fucking paying job, right? And I'm not going broke trying to, you know, nah. I'm gonna do what I can, take my time with it, you feel me? So yeah, dog, I'm gonna do interior, you know. Of course, I can tell you what I'm doing interior. Starlights, yeah, starlights, and I might throw some fucking seat covers on this bitch. Yeah, if it's anything, oh yeah, the radio, gotta upgrade that radio. Some speakers in the doors. I got subwoofers. If you wonder what subwoofers I have, I got 212 JBLs. Subwoofers, this bitch knocks, especially in this last car. So yeah, is there better speakers out there? For sure. Hell yeah, it is. But this is good enough for me. So you want some good bang to it, dog. Got the trunk rattling. You feel me? Should be the way to go. It's cheaper, you know. Not really that expensive. But I got a deal on it, but you know, compared to the others, yeah. But yeah, man. Let's see. Let's scope out. Let's see what we do on this fucking road, man. Sometimes I be finding the most wildest shit, like coolest cars, bro, when I'm not fucking recording. I guarantee, like even on having to work, bro, I guarantee you, bro, if I wasn't recording, bro, I'd been bumping to good, like cool ass trucks, cars, like crazy, bro, like fucking crazy. Oh, there goes 12. That goes 12. Okay, he was turning. Okay, we good. Good regardless, cause everything good on this end. But yeah, and sort of fuck. But yeah, dog, I just damn Jeep in front of me. It's like a cool story about this, like, well, not this exact Jeep, but I was thinking about getting a fucking Jeep, bro. A Cherokee, the Limited X, bro. That bitch had the moon roof, all of that, bro. Only thing I was about throwing that bitch was some stars, maybe some foot lighting like I got in here, and I probably threw some rims on it, give it an offset, you know, wide body look to it, and a little bit body look to it. But after that, I would have figured it out. Probably tend the tail lights a little bit, you know, stuff like that. Nothing too crazy, you know. So yeah, man. You should see the bad truck. She was like, my bad, y'all. Let me stop my bullshit. So what I'm about to do is cut up for y'all boys real quick a little bit. You know, when we get back on this road, we get to moving again, get back to y'all boys. So yeah. Let's get it. Oh, well. So for the ones who don't know, I did have a fucking Chevy, a 2020 Chevy Malibu RS. Oh, I love that fucking RS. Straight piped. I had it, you know, star lights, the door, interior lights that goes in the door and all up here, right down the console down here. Like I had that bitch right, bro. I had that bitch so right, bro. Pause. But damn. But yeah, dog. That was that. Moving on. You know. But yeah, it was what it is. Alright, here we go. Coming out the motherfucker, boy. I don't see people to like get fusions, bro, and make them bitches look so badass. Bro, whatever car you have, bro, don't be ashamed to be like happy and comfortable in whatever you got, bro. Whatever you can afford is what you can afford at the time, bro. Take that bitch, you want to tune it, mod it out, do that, do whatever you can, the best you can do with it. You feel me? Whatever car you like, don't worry about what that bitch says. Because, of course, everybody will have their own opinion on what they're like, but what you should do, what you shouldn't do. Now, if they're trying to tell you some real shit, listen. Like, if it's some shit that really gonna benefit you, listen. Don't be ignorant. I'm not saying be ignorant, but you should know, you should be able to fucking pick out what, you know what I mean about that when I say it and all that, you know? So, yeah, dog. So right up here when the light turns green, cut up for y'all boy Limo, if I can. Cause I'm in front of these two vehicles, behind these two vehicles right here. And they don't seem, it seems like this one might pull off And this one might be pulling. So we'll see. Let's see. Trying to race? I don't know. Either Bill trying to race or Bill being ignorant. I don't know. I don't care. This car not too fast, but it's fun to drive. It's fun to drive. Ain't gonna lie, if I can get that bitch to a point I can shoot flames and pop a lot of shit, that's all I would care about. I swear. I swear to you. I swear to you. They're like, well, get a drift car. Well, no. They're like, oh, look at the plane, look at the plane, look at the plane. Y'all look at that plane. Y'all look at that plane. Y'all look at that plane. Look at that plane. Look at that plane. But yeah, should I hit it? I hit it. One more time for y'all. One more time for y'all. One more time for y'all. Not too crazy. Just a little hit. Not too crazy. Nothing too crazy. So yeah, dog. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up right here. It's been long enough. If you enjoyed this fucking video, make sure you sub, like, share, drop a comment down below. You know, if anything you got to ask me or anything, man. You know, anything, just drop it down in the comments below, man. Also, go follow me on IG. So, yeah, man. And I'll see y'all boys in the next video.